Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome to my channel Crochet Best. I hope you all my friend is well. Today I will show you a very beautiful video. In this video I will show you flower and pot. This flower pot is made a crochet work. Crochet work is a so beautiful and amazing work. In this work using thread, this thread is cotton, wool, silk. I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. This is very beautiful flower pot. You can decor your kitchen windows and your bedroom windows, side tables, decorations. You can decor your showcase and your drawing room. This flower pot is look very original and so beautiful. This flower pot is washable. This is so beautiful idea. You can see my videos and my channel and giving to ideas so much. I give you very so much ideas in my channel, my videos. You can see and catch the ideas and make the very beautiful crochet work and crochet things. Friends, crochet some things is very easy to make and something is very different and difficult. This flower pot is very beautiful. You can make at home and you gift your friends and relative. I give you a very beautiful idea in this video. This is very beautiful gift purpose. I hope you like this video. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel and take care. Bye.